Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to check your CPU temperature. Now, if this sounds fascinating to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let's continue so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so you simply want to head over to this website here by the name of alcpu.com, right? And as you can see right here at the top, you have the Core Temp 1.181 version download, right? So you just want to go ahead and download that. It's very fast to download, and once that is downloaded, I can easily find it in my downloads folder here. So here you can see my downloads folder and the file is there. So I'm going to just run that application here, and I will just simply install this application very fast. And I'm going to just exit this, and I'm going to just launch this new Core Temp. Now once this application launches, guys, let me minimize the website. You can easily see your CPU temperature readings, right? And there you have it, very easy. You can always go ahead and check the options, check the different tools, etc., which is in it. Go ahead and examine and explore this application, but it's a very useful application that allows you to easily see the temperature of your CPU. And there you have it, guys, a very useful and easy application that you can use to check the temperature of your CPU. Now I really hope that you found some value there, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it as well. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I'm Andrew and welcome to Drew Tutorial, and I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. See you next time.